Imagine you're a project manager, drowning in a sea of tasks, emails, and deadlines. You're juggling multiple projects, trying to keep everyone on track, and ensuring everything gets done on time. Sound familiar? Have you ever felt like you needed a digital superhero to save your sanity? Well, today we're going to introduce you to that superhero, Wrike. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and help you achieve your goals. But with so many features, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll dive deep into the best ways to use Wrike to maximize its potential and make your life as a project manager a whole lot easier. The best uses of Wrike. Task management. At the core of Wrike is its robust task management system. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track their progress. But what makes Wrike truly special is its ability to organize tasks into folders, projects, and workspaces. This helps you keep everything organized and easily accessible. Here's a tip. Use Wrike's Kanban board view to visualize your workflow and see what tasks are in progress, waiting for approval, or completed. Collaboration. One of the biggest challenges project managers face is keeping everyone aligned and informed. Wrike's collaboration features make this a breeze. You can create shared workspaces, assign tasks to specific team members, and use real-time commenting to discuss projects and provide feedback. Wrike also integrates with popular communication tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams, making it easy to stay connected and collaborate effectively. Time tracking. If you're struggling to track your team's productivity, Wrike's time tracking feature can help. Team members can log their time spent on specific tasks, and you can use this data to identify bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and ensure that projects are staying on schedule. Reporting and analytics. Want to get a bird's-eye view of your team's performance? Wrike's reporting and analytics features provide valuable insights. You can generate custom reports, track key metrics, and identify areas for improvement. This data can help you make informed decisions and optimize your project management process. Automation. Wrike also offers a powerful automation engine that can help you save time and reduce errors. You can create custom workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and trigger actions based on specific conditions. For example, you could automatically assign tasks to team members based on their workload or send notifications when a project reaches a certain milestone. So, there you have it, the best ways to use Wrike to streamline your project management process. By utilizing Wrike's task management, collaboration, time tracking, reporting, and automation features, you can improve your productivity, enhance team collaboration, and deliver successful projects. Remember, Wrike is just a tool. It's up to you to use it effectively. Experiment with different features, find what works best for your team, and don't be afraid to customize Wrike to your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.